Dear student, today we are going to start a new topic, that is solution. What is solution? So, what happens actually, once upon a time I was wondering about a liquid, and the liquid was like I added sugar in the water. After that, what I did, I added some salt also. So, there are three components: water, sugar, salt. Okay. What I did, I added glucose also. Now, fourth component came. Then what I did, I added some other materials like ENO also. Okay. So many things I was adding, and I was just trying to prepare one very good taste solution so that I can drink that. As you know, I am very foodie behavior, and I always used to eat and drink a lot. That is why I was trying to prepare one very nice drink for me. My dear student, that was solution actually. What is solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture. Must remember, homogeneous mixture two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. So, I am talking about homogeneous. Solution is what? Homogeneous mixture of two or more than two component. At least two component is must, one is water, other is sugar, or one is water, other is salt, or any means any sugar something, or salt and water. So, what I am saying is solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components. Okay. Dear student, let me tell you the exact definition of the solution with their size particle now. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components in which the particle size is smaller than 1 nanometer. Nm means nanometer. What happens? Actually, there are three types of solution. One is called true solution, other is called colloidal solution, and third is suspension. Let me explain that. One is true solution, okay, and other is colloidal solution, and the third is suspension. All we will study in this chapter only, but slowly. So, today topic discussion is true solution. So, in true solution, the size particle is 1 nanometer, and in colloidal solution greater than that. We will discuss it in separate video. I am not going to talk about colloidal solution today, no. So, today what is true solution? True solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two component in which the particle size is very small, that is 1 nanometer. Okay. Example, there are so many possible examples, like you take NaCl plus H2O, shake it. After that, what happens in the cup? What do you find? You find that you got one solution which is salty solution, and from each and every corner of the cup, from each and every corner you find the same amount of salty taste. It means it is homogeneous mixture. So, solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components. Okay. Okay. Now, let me tell you some properties about the true solution. Now, first thing, it is a homogeneous mixture. Okay. So, I already explained what is homogeneous mixture. Throughout the solution, taste must be same. That is homogeneous mixture. Let me tell you next point now. See, its particles are too teeny. Dear student, 1 nanometer is not very big in size. It is not small, it is very small, you cannot see with your naked eyes. Its particles are too teeny and have a diameter less than 1 nanometer. Okay. Let me tell you the third point now. See, the particles are invisible to the naked eyes. I told you this. So, the particles you can't see, means once you dissolve the salt in the water, can you see the salt there? No, you can't. Can you see if you dissolve sugar in the water? Can you see, yes, sugar is dissolved, see that is sugar? You can't see that. Okay. Let me tell you the next point now. Have you heard about the Tyndall effect? No? Okay, no problem. I will teach you that. Okay. Particles means don't scatter a beam of light passing through it, and hence the path of the light is not visible. What does it mean? What happens sometimes what happens, this is a container and here is water level in the container and some particles like suppose you added sugar or salt, glucose, anything, right. Then what happened, what you did, you have one rays from this direction, okay. Particles don't scatter beam of light. What is the scattering of light? Scattering of light means if a light comes here and then it divides into, breaks into 7 different colors, that is called scattering of light, okay. So with these particles scattering is not possible, they don't scatter a beam of light. This is what this point is trying to say, and hence the path of the light is not visible. That is why this path is invisible, because it is not scattering the light. What is a scattering of light? When any light is giving 7 colors after crossing from here, it means it is a scattering of light, okay. Let me show you the next point now. See, solutes are inseparable. What is solute? So, in solution what happens, that is solute, the two important component is solute plus solvent, then solution forms. So, solute plus solvent equal to solution. So, what happens if I add salt in water? If I add salt in water, so salt is the solute. If I add sugar in water, sugar is the solute. If I add sugar and salt both in the water, then both are solute. And what is solvent? Water is solvent. It's not necessary that always water is solvent. Sometimes other solvents are possible like carbon tetrachloride CCl4, like benzene C6H6, okay, water H2O. So there are so many possibilities of the solvent. In same way, solute has also so many possibilities like NaCl, C6H12O6, okay, C12H22O11, sugar. So many possibilities of the solute. What I am trying to say is solutes are inseparable from the mixture and do not sediment. Means if you dissolve, if you add the sugar in the water, then you can't separate. See, I am not saying it's means I am trying to say that you can't separate with your hand, okay. By some other reactions and all you can separate it, but not in normal, not in general. Means you don't have any equipment at home or spoon through which you can filter out the sugar back. It's not possible. Once you dissolve, you can't filter out with the filter paper or with your glass or with your spoon. You can't filter it back. You can't bring the sugar back from the water. It's not possible. Yes, it's possible chemically by some other methods which we will perform in the laboratory, but at home it is not possible. So solutes are inseparable. Let me tell you the next point now. The components of mixture cannot be separated using filtration. Yeah, filtration means there is a filter paper in the market. If you use that filter paper, we use the filter paper to separate two substances. So I am trying to say is once you dissolved solute into the solvent, then you cannot separate it through the filter paper, okay. So this is what about the solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components with the particle size approx 1 nanometer or less than that. And you can't see that particles with your naked eyes, and you can't filter that with the filter paper, and they can't scatter the light actually, and they are inseparable generally. But I am not saying that you can't separate, it's impossible to separate. No, we can't say that. We can separate it, but not through the filter paper, okay. So tell me, answer my question. Solution is homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous? Homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means taste will be same throughout the cup or different? Taste will be same, okay. So this is what about the solution is. Now I want to discuss the types of solution. My dear student, there are 9 varieties of the solution, and what they are. So they may be solid plus solid, okay, solid plus solid. They may be solid plus liquid, and they may be solid plus gas. So, what I am saying is solid plus solid, one mixture, means one solution, solid plus liquid, one solution, solid plus gas, third solution. So, from here I am getting 3, understanding? Okay. Now, I am making it liquid. So, liquid plus solid, liquid plus liquid, liquid plus gas, again 3 variety. Next, now I am making it gas. So, gas plus solid, gas plus liquid, gas plus gas. So, there are total 9 varieties of the solution. I hope you understood this 9 variety, okay. And there are so many other types also, like saturated solution, super saturated solution, unsaturated solution, dilute solution, concentrated solution, homogeneous solution. So many types of solutions are there. We will discuss one by one slowly. Thank you.